So the rule of 100 simply says if you're 65, 65% of your money should be in safe, principal protected areas. The problem with that is people are living longer today than they used to. Okay. So as the life expectancy has continued to grow and increase, there's flexibility around that rule. Okay. So I'm not a hard and fast, you got to do this or else, because that's not the case. Every situation is different. And you need your money to continue to grow because if you're going to live to be 85 or 87 or 88, you may need more than 35% of your money in market related accounts. And that's where the tactical money management that I do as an investment advisor comes into play, where we go out and we do constant evaluations quarterly of how things are going, which allocations are making the most sense, what are they doing. We're going to track the histories and we're going to make updates. And, so you need part of your money in the market, no doubt about it. We have decades of history behind us. The uncertainty of the market right now, this year, has been driven by inflation and a few other factors, so it may be a while before those get back under control, but you definitely need a portion of your income, or I'm sorry, of your assets in a principal protected environment.